Climate change refers to long-term shifts of temperatures and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, but since the 1800s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which produces heat-trapping gases. Human activities like the burning of fossil fuels have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's levels in hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets such as Greenland and Antarctica are melting. The extra water that are once held in glaciers causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also makes weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfalls, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes in weather puts challenges. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live shift and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating new agricultural challenges, climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment traps and increases the amount of smog. This is because smog contains ozone particles which increase rapidly at higher temperatures. Exposure to higher levels of smog can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. While the rapid rate of climate change is caused by humans, humans are also the ones who can combat it. If we work to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gas emission, we might still be able to prevent some of the worst effects of climate change. Instead of becoming more dependent, we need to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and electricity right away. Opt for eco-friendly options like solar energy and wind power. Learn to protect Mother Earth. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed.